What's up, YouTube? First of all, I'd like to say welcome to all the new people. It's amazing. Scoutcrafter did a video of some tools I sent him, so we got like 100 new subscribers came over. I hope you enjoy. Welcome. It's gonna be an awesome time. Hopefully, we'll get to 1,000 pretty soon. If you could subscribe, if you're not, then we'll see what happens. We're gonna do a restoration. This is part of the tools that a friend of the show, Tim, sent. It's a Proto. Let me get my ugly mug out of the way. It's a Proto 12-inch. It's not too bad. It's got some pretty bad pitting and rusting, but I mean, I've done worse. So we're just gonna get this one done. And the jaws look awesome. Just a little bit. Still see the factory grind on them a little bit. You know, it's just rusty. They look great. Thanks, Tim. You're awesome. So why don't we pause this and we'll go over to the wire wheel. We'll clean these up. If you could, subscribe. And I'll see you in 2. Okay, this is after the wire brush. Honestly, it looks really good. I'm going to come in here with a Dremel with some of these little crappy wheels that I got. I got them on Amazon for pretty cheap, so there's like 4 different grits. But anyways, I'm going to come in here and clean that stuff up, clean up around here a little bit, clean up in here a little bit, you know, in all the spots where you can't get to with the wire wheel. And then I think we'll move it to the fiber wheel, because it doesn't look bad enough to hit the bench grinder or the what the crap, I don't know. I can't remember the name of it. The belt sander. Wow. Hi. Okay, so I just wanted to kind of do these as a restoration, not like exaggeration, so to speak. Some tools I take over the top, but these are definitely going to be a worker's man tool because they're just amazing. So we did a polished finish, and then we just left the brush finish from about 180 grit. So let's check it out. And they work great. Super slick. The jaws are nice and square. They weren't in that bad a shape, really. They looked pretty rusty and pitted, but most of the pitting was on this polished part. So we were able to get them really, really, you know, to a high polish. I can't, the lighting in here won't do it for some reason. Anyways, if you could, like, comment, subscribe. If you don't like it, tell me why. I don't mind. I can take it. I'm a big boy. And I will see you guys and girls on the next one. And again, thanks all the new people and my faithful subscribers that have been here forever. You guys rule, and it's truly appreciated. It's humbling. I'll see you on the next one.